Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier supports Esim and that your plan can transfer. Once done, obtain the QR code or activation code from the carrier. This is essential. Make sure your phone is unlocked and backed up because you will modify cellular settings. Now open Settings, go to Cellular or Mobile Data, and choose Add Cellular Plan or Convert to Esim. Follow the on-screen prompt to scan the QR code or choose the carrier app for activation. After initiating Add Cellular Plan, scan the QR code carefully, hold the camera steady, and prefer good lighting. Mistakes waste time. If no QR, manually enter the activation details the carrier provided. Then assign a label like Primary or Work so you can manage lines easily, and choose which line handles voice versus data. Make sure you do not remove the physical SIM yet. Wait for the plan to download and show active with a signal strength indicator before proceeding to the final step. You finish by confirming the Esim is active. Place a call, send an SMS, and browse with mobile data. Once those functions work reliably, you may remove the physical SIM if you prefer a single profile, but keep it until you're certain. If something goes wrong, restart the phone and reattempt the QR scan or manual entry, because simple resets fix many issues. If problems persist, contact your carrier for re-provisioning. They can refresh the activation or issue a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.